You see, tonight it could go either way. Hearts balanced on a razor blade. We are designed to love and break, and to rinse and repeat it all again. I get stuck when the world's too loud and things don't look up when you're going down. I know your arms are reaching out from somewhere beyond the clouds. You make me feel like my troubled heart is a million miles away. You make me feel like I'm drunk on stars and we're dancing out into space. Celestial, celestial. I see the light shining through the rain, 1,000 colors in a brighter shade. Needed to rise from the lowest place. There's silver lining that surrounds the gray. When I get lost, will it come back around? Things don't look up when you're going down.
Found in Scotland,
Your arms, they are reaching out from somewhere beyond the
scientists have recovered one of the best sauropod-related sauropod dinosaurs on Earth. Tonight, at long last, we're gonna draw Amargasaurus. The reason why he's called that is because of the large spikes sticking out of his back. Well, sticking out of the back of his neck, just not on his actual back. Scientists continue to uncover and discover new dinos every year, and these legendary giants are one of the greatest discoveries of all time. These animals go out to the are related to what they call the world's largest dinosaurs. Just like that exhibition I went to in 2011. What memories I've had in there. I've enjoyed going to that place. Alexa, what is Amargasaurus?
According to an Alexa Answers contributor, a Stegosaurus was a gentle herbivore, plant-eating dinosaur of the late Jurassic period, some 150 million years ago. Their distinctive marks are the kite-shaped plates along their backs and the spikes on their tails.
Great. Alexa, stop. Alexa, what is Amargasaurus?
Amargasaurus is a genus of sauropod dinosaur from the Early Cretaceous epoch of what is now Argentina. The only known skeleton was discovered in 1984 and is virtually complete, including a fragmentary skull, making Amargasaurus one of the best-known sauropods of its epoch. Amargasaurus was first described in 1991 and contains a single known species, Amargasaurus kazaui.
Well, that's something you gotta know about. These are one of the greatest giants that have ever lived. Take my advice, folks. These giants are really gentle. And, well, they are what they consider one of the greatest animals that have... They are considered one of the sweetest. Here are the legs. It'd be amazing if they allowed this dinosaur on Jurassic World. This is one of the greatest discoveries ever found. There we are. There we are. I feel like the spikes should be longer. There we are. That is how you draw Amargasaurus. The greatest of the great. There we are. There he is, everyone. That's how you draw the legendary Amargasaurus. If you wish to find out about more dinosaurs, you guys are free to check out the Prehistoric playlist below. And I'm always here to draw up the best of the best. Farewell, guys. Until we meet again.